completed my BTECH in Baleswar College of Engineering and Technology with Electronics and Communication stream. So I was not having any IT knowledge and IT skills because I was an electronics branch student. So I came here JSpider and I joined as a full stack Java developer. So at first I was learning like SQL, which was taught by General ma'am, and Java was taken by Anva ma'am and Axel sir. Now web technology was done by Siraj sir, and advanced Java like JDBC and all those things was taken by Pooja ma'am. All those faculties are very good here. They added me in many requirements like more than 3 requirements they added. I was actually not getting requirement because of I am a non-IT background student. So Pooja ma'am added me in many requirements. So I got placed just 25th October in a company called Mishra with an package of 2.8 LPA. So if you want to build your career, just come and join SANDEEP Hebbal. That's all about me. Thank you.